Good evening. I'm so excited to be here tonight, but I miss you. I miss being in person. I feel a little spoiled. We got to do our last big event with you in person, and let me tell you, it's easier to talk to a group full of people when you recognize faces and you see all of your excitement. And tonight we're actually sharing like the stuff, the actual stuff that we have been waiting ages to share with you. And I'm doing it in front of a camera with my boss standing behind it, watching me, helping coach me not to be wooden while I tell you things like new kits and pricing and things that feel kind of boring. And I tend to do like more of the emotional things, and I get to share great stories with you. And tonight, it's a great story. I'm not gonna tell you the whole thing, but you've been a part of it. So we're gonna kick it off with a little quote from Ernest Hemingway. He said, in character, in manner, in style, in all things, the supreme excellence is simplicity. The key word there is simplicity. We've been talking to you a long time about simplicity. We've been prepping you a long time for simple. The wait is over. To repeat what Russ just said, nothing is more frustrating than expecting something and getting nothing. It's like getting a toothbrush at Halloween. You know, like you skip the toothbrush house every year after that because no one wants a toothbrush at Halloween. It's okay to expect more, even at Halloween, even from the dentist. It's okay to expect more. But to get more, you still have to expect it, and you should. At Xyngular, losing weight, it's a given. It's what we do. It's the bare minimum of what we do. We know the strength of our products. You know the strength of our products, and we expect more out of them. You should too. In order to really capitalize on that strength, we've made some changes, and you helped. You may not realize it, but you've been involved in this process with us every step of the way. From the launch of the 8-Day early this year to some strategically placed promotions and some bundle releases. Does anyone remember the Next Step bundle? You helped us clarify this strategy. You helped us to substantiate this direction. So thank you. The X bundle, recently released, is the foundation. It's the outcome of tested and measured success. The success of 6 of our powerhouse products. They were first introduced as a complete system in the 8-Day Jumpstart standalone kit. Now it's available in a 30-day solution. That solution incorporates guidelines and resources dedicated to your success and to your customer success. Weight loss is so important to health, but it doesn't end with weight loss because wellness is so much more than just weight loss. X Plus and X Advanced offer easily buildable solutions to digestion and complete wellness. Those are 2 of the most important conversations that people are having. They're 2 of the conversations that a lot of people have with or before they talk about weight loss. Let me be clear about this point. Each of these bundles builds off of the previous one, beginning with the X bundle. We deliver the weight loss you expect, but then add more life-changing benefits from the X Plus and the X Advanced. You guys, we made the upsell easy for you. This is how those kits stack up. The X bundle is priced at $279 with 200 PV. This is the foundation you are building from. It's the foundation you'll continue to build from. Add the digestion duo of collagen and probiotics to the X bundle and you get X Plus. It's priced at $369 with 275 PV. And then add the Wellness Essentials trio of Global Blend, Action, and Advanced Omega to the X Plus, and you get the X Advanced, priced at $499 with 360 PV. How amazing are these kits, you guys? They build one from another. We didn't do that before. So you're welcome, and also thank you for helping us get here. This level of simplicity has been really carefully architected for you and for your success. We often need to move things out of the way. We have to eliminate the layers of complexity so that we can create space and pace for you to win. You have the space now. It's time to get on pace. It's time to go. Thank you.